In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Drive start page. If you'd like Drive to open exactly where you work most, whether that's a recommended overview or your main folders, this quick setting will save you time every day. We'll do everything right inside your browser on the desktop. Start by opening Google in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account for the drive you want to adjust. Near the top right of the page, look for the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid of dots. Click that to open the Apps panel, then choose Drive. This takes you into your Google Drive homepage. Once Drive is open, move to the top right corner again and select the gear icon. That's the Settings menu for Drive. A small drop-down will appear. Click on Settings to open the full Settings panel. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Start Page. This is the control that decides what you see first every time you open Drive. You'll have two choices, Home or My Drive. Here's what each one means. Choosing Home tells Drive to open on a personalized overview. You'll see suggested files, recent activity, and items that Google thinks you might need next. This is great if you jump between projects or want quick access to things you've been working on lately. On the other hand, choosing My Drive opens directly to your main Drive directory. You'll see your folders and files exactly as you've organized them. This is ideal if you keep a tidy folder structure and prefer to start from there every time. Select the option that matches your workflow. The change takes effect immediately, so the next time you open Drive, it will land on your chosen start page. If your Settings panel offers a Done or X to close, go ahead and click it to return to Drive. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you manage multiple Google accounts, repeat these steps for each account you use, since the setting is account-specific. If you're using a work or school account, the layout might look slightly different, but the Start Page option will still be in Settings. And if you ever want to switch back, just follow the same path. Gear icon, Settings, then toggle between Home and My Drive. That's all there is to it. You've set your Google Drive start page to match the way you like to work, so you can get to your files faster every time you open Drive.